Hi everyone, it's Stacy from Peony Lane Design. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button somewhere over here. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, I've got more of the critters to paint. Remember this little guy? He looks cute like this. So I have quite a few of these that I have to do. I've got to do a turtle. I want to get the white paint on this one. This one has multiple layers of paint on it already. So it's got a blue, a gray, kind of an iridescent pink. It's got pink on its chest. And I'm going to do this a little different than the one I did last time, in that I'm not going to coat the whole thing and then scrape it away. I'm going to use more of a pouncing technique with the brush to create what I'm looking for. So I want it to look like stone or concrete or, you know, all that good stuff. And then I have this little guy. So he was the one with the tail that was not quite there. And I went ahead and I filled his tail. And I just used Verdick, the pink stuff. I'm just going to get it here. I used the Verdick to fill it because why not? I could have used wood glue. I could have used resin. I could have used a lot of different things to fill it. This was just the easiest, and I need to sand this down. It's going to make a huge mess. And then I'm really nervous because I like this bird the way he is. And I'm afraid I'm going to wreck him. That was a lot of paint. I don't know why I thought this would be a better technique. I mean, it may fail miserably, but does that look pink? I think it's an optical delusion, Stacy. I know it's illusion. Don't come at me in the comments. I know exactly what I said. I'm having delusions. Instead of taking it off where I want to see color, I'm putting it on where I think it needs less color. It's like just the opposite of what I was doing before. I'm trying to decide while I do this, which one gives a better look. The first way I did it or this way? Or possibly this way, because I am going to base coat this whole thing in this color. Okay, let's do the turtle. Go with me, birdie. Come here, little guy. All right, let's let all that dry. Okay, I like what's happening on this guy. Ooh, not that. But obviously not underneath. We gotta get this done up under here too. And then I pulled out the dark gray that I've been using, and I'm gonna hit both of these with the dark gray. What brush do I want to use? Doesn't matter. trying to decide if I like this technique better. Just layered on a bunch of colors that I like. It's certainly turning out super cute. Ugh, I'm nervous. I feel like this is too much. Let's try it on the bird. Definitely know I want a darker shadow under there, so I'm going to go in pretty heavy there. And then feather it out, no pun intended. I think I like all of them. I think they all have their own little charm. Every one of these birds is different, and they just, gosh, it's so cute. Well, okay, so I tried 4 different techniques on these little birds. I can't pick one. So we have the original one that I did, which was load it up with paint and then pull the paint off. And then now we have this, which is I painted him and then did this technique to it, which is a pigment. And then I layered him up individually with colors. Instead of pulling it off, I pounced it on. You can see it's got some of the green and some of the blue and some of the pinks. And I think he looks amazing, which in this light, I don't know why the camera doesn't see it the same way I'm seeing it in person. Like I see more of the color than you guys do. And then the last one is just white and gray. And I think he's really charming too. Look at the cutest thing ever, little guy. They're all my favorites. They're all my favorites. I love them all. I feel like Snow White now. I've got all my little bird friends. I'm Snow White. They're so cute. They're totally worth every minute it takes to get these done because look how cute they are. So cute. I think I'm going to have to clear coat them. Like hit it with a matte clear. The turtle's cute too. He's cute too. I did the turtle in a few different ways as well. This one has the little back like that. This one has a yellow shell. And that one just has a little bit of dirt on them. I love them all. I'm going to be rocking all these techniques, I think. I'm going to have to pour a lot more birds because I am in love with the birds. It doesn't matter to me what configuration I did the birds in. They're beautiful. This mold in particular is just a really cute bird mold. And it just doesn't seem like no matter what I do to it, it doesn't matter. Like, it's cute. It's cute and colorful. Like a colorful blue. It's cute with mixed. It's just cute. Anyway, those are done. $6, $6, $6 in the shop. I don't know how much I'm going to charge for the turtles. But they're so cute. I like the little turtles too. Anyway, let me know in the comments which one's your favorite, because I like all of them. I'm just going to have to make a whole menagerie of little birds. Very cute. All right. That's my only project for today. It's the best I can do. I'm covered in paint now. It's time for me to move on. We'll go make dinner. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.